How to delete Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from GamersTech. Today I am going to guide you how to delete Blockman Go. Deleting Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open device setting. Go to your phone setting. Navigate to apps. Select apps or app and notification or application manager depending on your mobile device. Find Blockman Go. Scroll through the list of installed app or use the search bar to locate Blockman Go. Select the app. Tap on Blockman Go to open its setting page. Clear cache and clear data. It's optional. Tap clear cache to remove temporary files. If you want to reset the app completely, tap clear data or clear storage. Uninstall the app. Tap uninstall and confirm the action. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can delete Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.